Animation Professor here. This is a possible suggestion for a short animated safety tip film. If you had a funny video that illustrated a safety rule every month, most likely you would get more interest from your employees. They would be more likely to pay attention and more likely to remember the safety rule of the month. I haven't completed the first sample video yet. It'll take a couple of days, but here's the basic idea for my Batman Batgirl video. I was thinking of having a regular animated crew of a 7-Eleven, the supervisor, and then a sad sack girl that always does something wrong and then always has to suffer the consequences. She goes too high on the ladder and falls off, or she lifts the wrong way and twists her back, and so on. Then we have a young guy, maybe named Raymond, that follows every rule, and the sad sack girl, she hates him. In the Batman version I'm working on, the sad sack girl always is reading Batman and Batgirl comics. The supervisor tells her to put the comic book away and pay attention to the store, like, look at those two guys over there. Are they headed for the door with the beer they didn't pay for? The sad sack girl imagines that she is Batgirl and tries to stop them. They shove her down and run out with the beer. The supervisor lady runs over to see if she's hurt, but no, she's okay. Raymond, the good kid, called the cops. You can hear the sirens coming. The supervisor praises him. Sad sack imagines she is Batgirl and she's clobbering Raymond. Then she discovers that the commotion knocked over a cup of coffee and soaked her Batgirl comic book. She starts to cry. The supervisor is worried that something is really wrong, but relaxes when informed it's just coffee on the comic book. Well, says the sad sack girl, it's a good thing I didn't pay for it already, and starts to put it back in the magazine rack. Hey, you can't do that, the supervisor yells. The end. These would each be about 2.5 to 3 minute animated shorts, one a month. Of course, I could do other training animations using this format of the Animated Professor, bringing up other experts to explain whatever.
I am Guru Wilban. I want to tell you all about it.
Hi, I'm Bill Gates.
These could easily be distributed on DVDs to each store.